Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, ucoach Nabo ufunwa ama-teams wase-Afrika. Ufunwa i-team iWydad Casablanca, ufunwa ama-teams wase-Tanzania. Simbonile futhi elokhunjana e-Egypt. Eclaim ukuthi yena uyobona uMayela. Asazi ukuthi unegotiate nama-teams wase-Egypt or ukwenzakalani. But here the information that we have with maningi ama-coach ambhekile ucoach Nabi bafethu since indaba zakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs eziphumile ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ayisamfuni, just nje balinde izinto ezifana nama-settlement ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs i-announce ukuthi ucoach Nabo uhambile. Sazi ukuthi izoma-announce Kaizer Chiefs because abanye abantu bavele baba-blue tick bangabi ba-announce, but asazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. But I wanna focus on something ukuthi ama-journalist ama-hypocrite. Asinawo ama-journalist ebholeni lase-Afrika, sinamanga. Umuntu uthi sinama-journalist agood ambalwa, but the thing is once you become big, ubani uMickey Junior lo wase umngani wayo yonke icoach enkulu lase-Afrika, so uyazama ukuba-protector. Ngazi ukuthi umprotect kangakanani ucoach Nabo. Uthe ucoach Nabo meye laphana eTanzania bewobheka i-scholars build. I mean, come on bafethu. Coach Nabi eTanzania une-reputation e-right. Ama-teams amaningi ase-Tanzania angathanda ukuba no-coach Nabi because wenza kahle kuphi ku-young, wabafikisa ku-CAF Confederations Cup final la bashawa khona, same competition le Kaizer Chiefs eyidlalayo this season. So would make sense ukuthi lama-teams lawa amakhulu wase-Tanzania anganawo coach azama ukunegotiate no-coach Nabi for i-contract. But now the big thing or the big question would be, ama-teams wase-Tanzania azokwazi uku-afforda ucoach Nabi na? Why? Because ucoach Nabi ku-Kaizer Chiefs behola over 800,000 to R1 million depending on ama-match awadlalile plus nama-bonuses and stuff. Bazokwazi ukum-afforda or ucoach Nabi uzokwazi ukuthatha i-salary cut yakhe na? Those are the things okumele siyibheke sise kahle siyifakele iyibuko ukuthi bazokwazi ukum-afforda or ngeke bakwazi ukum-afforda na. But khona i-team efana neSimba, I don't know if iSimba kwenzakalani because umuntu becoach iSimba uDavies wala eSouth Africa sehambile ujoyine i-team iRaja, so bam-offera imali obviously better financial packaging. That is why ayishilo iSimba. iSimba sokulele kuba ukuthi if bafuna ucoach Nabi they have to go all out because une-proven record lokuthi uke wacoacha kuphi eTanzania. Stand still yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs, but we'll see if kuzodecidiwa noma bazositshela indaba za-coach Nabo noma bazosiblutika. But ucoach Nabi sehambile eSouth Africa, akasekho eSouth Africa. Angazi ukuthi why ama-journalist aloku am-protect abasho izinto ezingekho. Coach Nabi uthola ama-approach from ama-teams are different. They're trying to get him on board ukuthi azo-coach ama-teams wabo ngoba bayamazi ukuthi uyi-free agent. Why would ucoach Nabi oyi-free agent ama-teams angama-approach? Lokho kuyafihlwa-ke manje kuthiwa ama-teams awam-approach yena uziyele uhamba for ezinye izinto. No, it's busy negotiating if uzothola i-deal e-right. And then this is what happens-ke ebholeni. Ngizama ukuyichaza kanconywana ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu bayi-understand. So i-Kaizer Chiefs, if ucoach Nabi uthola umsebenzi omunye before i-contract yakhe iphela ne-Kaizer Chiefs, i-settlement kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs bazokwazi ukunegotiate i-settlement elingcono elincane, bangamniki close to R10 million. Why? Because uzoba ne-salary from enye i-team. So i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukumrelease simple without uNabi adimanda imali enkulu noma eningi from i-Kaizer Chiefs. And i-Kaizer Chiefs they're trying to avoid this thing vele ukuthi banike ucoach Nabi i-settlement enkulu. So it's easier for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi imhambise, but ukumhambisa kwabo methola enye ilokhu njani i-team during lesikhathi lesi ane-contract are still contracted to Kaizer Chiefs if they haven't reached i-settlement, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs izokhipha imali encane. That's it. Well, obviously-ke yi-loss enkulu for ucoach Nabi ukuthi aluze lesi ama-millions from i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke it's part of the game, it's part of football ukuthi sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and sometimes ibhola like onkulunkulu bebhola bahamba nawe bakuthwale ukuthi izinto zakho zibe right. Sometimes izinto zakho nje zivele hlangana. Sibonile ucoach Nabi-ke in terms of ama-result, siyazi ukuthi overall i-Kaizer Chiefs beyiqale kahle isizini up until le moment le bashawa iSkhukhune United babashaya 3. There was no confidence between i-Kaizer Chiefs no-coach Nabi. I-packed between i-management ne-technical team ukuthi ucoach Nabi angakwazi ukulead i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater height. That is why vele bekungana-trust even after he won i-Nedbank Cup. Abantu abaningi barepotile ukuthi coach Nabi ngeke abe khona noma kuthiwa useyiwinile i-Nedbank Cup, but-ke abamthembi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzo-continue with the journey. And then ekugcineni kwathiwa ulokhu njani uKaizer Motaung senior bafethu uye o-intervenile laphana athi lo muntu lona usuwinisa i-cup for the first time in almost 10 years, asimgcineni because contract yakhe kusele unyaka owodwa. lo nyaka-ke but naku ngathi akawuqedi nokuqeda because already kuney'nkinga between yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Abamdedele, well akahambe u-Coach Nabi ba-announce if uyahamba because sehambile akasekho vele akusasey-part of i-Kaizer Chiefs. Iy'nkinga ze-settlement nje kuphela abadila nazo kwamanje. Until then we just have to sit back and just watch and see istori sakhe esiloku esivela because ekugcineni u-Coach Nabi bazom-announce kwenye i-team and then mhlampe kula i-Kaizer Chiefs ezokhipha i-statement unless if kune-element of arrogance but no, we're not gonna have a statement ngo-Coach Nabi because of 1 2 3 1 2 3 bayazi bona ukuthi why, bayazi why benza izinto kanje. But i-Kaizer Chiefs ithembise ama-fans ukuthi once ba-conclude behind the scenes because kunama-discussions, kusho ukuthi kunama-negotiations we-settlements behind closed doors, bazokwazi uku-announce. What is holding them back i-settlement ukuthi they have to have i-mutual agreement, kusho ukuthi abakwazi ukutholana nge-mutual agreement babone batshele u-Coach Nabi ukuthi okay, we're giving you this, we expect you to resign to whatever, or u-Coach Nabi ukuthi no, ngifuna yonke imali yami back. Well, i-Kaizer Chiefs maybe ilinde ukuthi at the same time Kaizer Chiefs they might wait ukuthi athole enye i-team and then methole enye i-team bathi unomsebenzi ngapha baku-offera this, so ku-contract yethu kushoda le, maybe bamnike 3 million azihambele u-Coach Nabi. But yeah, it's a big story across the continent. Ama-journalists areport izinto ezingekho ezamanga because ba-protect ama-friendships. I mean that is why ngisho ukuthi abanye abantu ama-hypocrites. Yabo lento le ukuthi ama-journalist once waba i-journalist uthola i-access yokuthi uye kwamanye ama-club bayakuflyisa across the continent. Niyibheke if awuyizwa le nkulumo le ngishoyo uyi-ignore or ngoba ngeke ngiyichaze kahle but uma ulandela ibhola la behind closed doors uzoyizwa lento engiyikhulumayo. Khona ama-journalist la bayawaflyisa aya kwamanye ama-countries, bayawaflyisa ayobukela certain teams, so they are within their rights ukuthi ba-protect abanye o-coach because they benefit from labo coach labo, they benefit from amanye ama-players, so they've built ama-relationships nobo-coach namanye ama-team, so they cannot report izinto mhlampe ezi-negative ngabanye abantu. That's what I've seen, and it's sad ukuthi ama-journalist awekho independent, amaningi wakhona captured even locally. Yeah, but angifuni ukuthi ngingayingeni le bafethu because nami ngisebenza kulo mkhakha, thi ngibambe kanje. But yeah, let's just wait and see sibone istori saka-Coach Nabi ukuthi sizohamba kanjani. That's the biggest story in the country in terms of like head coach of the biggest team in the country. They have to solve it sooner or later and then kube ne-dialogue egood between i-Kaizer Chiefs nawo bonke abantu aba-involved bafethu. I-drama phansi, Coach Nabi ukubonakala ukuthi uyakuphi. Ama-journalist please reportani ngeqiniso bafethu, ningaripoti ngoba niyafeyva. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.